Okay. For the benefit of those who haven't followed in, what is your name now?
Edward Wyatt.
And Edward, to the best of your knowledge, what year is this?
1902.
All right. And where are you living?
Outside London, England.
All right. And do you have a family, Edward?
I do, yeah.
Tell me about your family.
I have a young daughter. My wife had died.
Okay. How long ago has it been since she's died?
About a year.
And how has this affected your life, her passing?
It's been devastating.
Okay. What kind of work do you do, Edward?
I have a number of businesses. I own manufacturing plants, factories.
Very good. Sleep now and rest now. We're going to be moving forward to a significant event. This will occur at least 5 years from this time. This will affect you. You'll have a complete awareness of it. You'll be able to describe what has changed, if anything, in your life. On the count of 5. 1, moving forward. 2, farther forward. 3, halfway there. 4, almost there. Number 5. Now, where are you now, Edward?
I'm still at home. I mean, I'm at the same place.
What has changed since I last spoke with you?
Well, my daughter's grown some,
Okay. Right.
and I'm still basically alone. I haven't married again.
Okay. Have you seen other women since your wife has passed?
Some.
Okay. Let's move forward now. Your daughter will be at least 25 years old. Let's move to that experience on the count of 5 and perceive exactly what this means to you and what your life consists of. 1, moving forward. 2, 3, halfway there. 4, almost there. Number 5. Now, Edward, tell me about your life now and your daughter's life at this time.
Okay, well, I'm still doing the same thing, and she's left. She's a dancer, ballet dancer, and she's moved into London.
How do you feel about her career?
Very strongly.
Okay.
All for it.
Very good. All right. Sleep now and rest. Now we're going to leave this now, and we're going to move forward. We're going to move forward into your next lifetime. Using the reference point of your life of Eric, we're going to be moving forward into the very next lifetime you're going to inhabit. On the count of 5. 1, moving forward to this future life. 2, farther forward. 3, halfway there. 4, almost there. Number 5. All right, number 5 now. Tell me where you are at this time.
In a hospital.
All right, what is your name?
Earl.
All right, Earl, and what kind of work do you do?
Doctor.
And do you specialize in anything?
Cardiology.
And what year, to the best of your knowledge, is this?
2050, somewhere there.
All right, and what city or location do you find yourself in?
I'm in Australia, in Perth.
Okay. Tell me about your family, if any, at this time.
I'm married and have 2 daughters and a son.
Are you close with your family?
Very.
Okay. Let's move forward now. We're going to be moving forward now to the end of this life, of this future life. You're going to be able to overview this, but still be aware of the causes of the death, as well as what you learned and perhaps were not able to learn from this life on the count of 5. Moving to what we call the superconscious higher level. 1, rising up, leaving the physical body, overviewing the life of Earl. 2, farther forward. 3, halfway there. 4, almost there. Number 5. Now, from this perspective, tell me how the life of Earl ended.
A heart attack.
About how old were you at that time?
48.
Okay. What did you learn from the life of Earl?
That I never took any time for anything.
For yourself, you mean, or for...
Well, I did everything for everybody else.
Okay. All right. What about family? How important was family to you as in relationship to your purpose in that life?
It was very important.
What were you not able to do other than take time for yourself that you feel that you might have done had your life been a little different?
I probably just never gave enough time to the things I should have given time to, and it was just chained to work, kind of, and which I enjoyed.
All right. Now, sleep now and rest now. From the superconscious level, you can now review the life of Edward as well as the life of Earl. Let's go back to the life of Edward for a moment. The daughter that was so important to you, that you raised in the life of Edward in London in the late 1800s. If you've known her or have known her in your current life as Eric in any way, tell me who she is.
My son.
Okay, that's all right. Sleep now and rest. You're doing fine now. 20, 20, 20. I'm going to be counting forwards from 1 to 5 in just a moment, and we'll have complete memories of everything you've experienced and re-experienced and will experience, and you'll be able to answer questions and have complete knowledge of your awareness. Number 1, very, very, very deep. Number 2, you're getting a little bit lighter. Number 3, you're getting much, much lighter. Number 4, very, very light. Number 5, awakened, wide awake, relaxed, and refreshed. How you doing?
Oh, great. What's been going on? No, I know everything.
You have memories of everything?
Yeah, except I'm sweaty as hell.